If you have thought that these are real vehicles, you are wrong. This is the story of Anas, miraculous life story of a creative artist. The whole world fell into a big crisis in all realms during the COVID pandemic. Millions of people lost their lives. Millions of people lost their jobs. Anas converted his lockdown days as creative. Anas was born and brought up in a small village called Thatiyad, near to Ambalavayal in Wayanad, Kerala. He is still out of the public eye. These are not real workers. These are the miniature models made by Anas. From Buloka to various kinds of modern vehicles are here in his workshop. KSRTC bus, Komban, a famous tourist bus, police jeep, tipper trucks, Mohanlal's Spadigam lorry, etc. are a few among them. Anas is working in Saudi Arabia. These are creative arts of Anas during the lockdown period. No one had identified his talent before. These are unbelievable creations of Anas. Perfection is the power of his models. Still, there are so many incompleted works patiently waiting for the patience of Anas. We could understand how much his parents are proud of him from their flowing words. Anas is a talented artist, still out of public eye. We wish all the very best for his future endeavors.